Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Valorant on iPhone. Create a Riot account, link it to your PC, and install a low-latency streaming app like Moonlight or Sunshine. Make sure your PC is optimized for gameplay and enable 60 FPS streaming when possible. Connect both devices to the same fast Wi-Fi or 5G network, pair a controller if you want, and tweak touch mappings before jumping into a match. Optimize controls and performance on your iPhone to get smoother Valorant gameplay. Use a Bluetooth controller for precision or customize touch zones in your streaming app for accurate aiming. Lower graphical settings on your PC to reduce latency and prioritize 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a wired PC connection to minimize lag. Close background apps on the iPhone, enable Do Not Disturb, and test settings in a practice range before competitive matches. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for downtime between matches with a glare-free screen and long battery life, and it fits easily in a gaming bag. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if interested. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Troubleshoot common issues when streaming Valorant to your iPhone with these quick fixes. If you see stutter, check upload speed on the PC and limit other devices using bandwidth. For controller lag, repair and set the controller as the preferred input in the streaming app. Manage battery by lowering brightness and enabling low power mode, and consider a phone stand and charger to avoid drops during long sessions in online matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.